What's up, guys? Chris here. Happy New Year to everyone. Man, I gotta miss the plane. 2018 was awesome. I think 2019 is gonna be even better. Just wanted to thank everybody who stopped by and subscribed or gave us a look. We'll see you with some fun, cool stuff next year. In the meantime, check out a little look back at 2018. What's up, guys? Chris here. We have Josh.
Howdy.
And we have Manny. Let's see who takes it. There we go. Race number 1.
Ready?
Go. Roger Dodger takes it. What's up, guys? Chris here. We have a bucket full of cars. The picks are in. We have Josh. Josh!
Howdy.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Manny!
Let's go see where Manny.
Ah, there's Manny. See who takes it. Go for it, Josh.
Mark, let's get set. Go.
Man, pretty even. Dawson's got too much. Man, that Dawson starts to come back.
Set. Go.
Pretty even. Dawson's got too much. Man, that Dawson. Back.
326.
What's up, guys? Chris here. Went to a cool car show today. Not in the car show. I'm just here to check it out. Look at this.
He does it for them.
This is crazy. What's up, guys? Chris here. We have something pretty cool set up. We have Manny. And we have Josh.
Howdy.
On your mark. Get set. Go. Wow, that bitch jumps out front. Here comes the Camaro. Whoa! Wow, that bitch jumps out front. Whoa! Set. Go. Go. Now it comes out. He's off-roading. Get set. Go. Go. Now it comes out. He's off-roading. What's up, guys? Chris here. It's race day. The staging lanes are full. We have Josh. And we have Manny. 1, 2, 3. Man, look at that. The Willies takes him. 1, 2, 3. Man. Look at that. The Willies takes him. Sweet. 1, 2, 3. Wow, the white one's a rocket. 1, 2, 3.
See you later.
Wow. White. Landed it. Joe in the head, he dives for it. Grave Digger's got it. Go! There's Grave Digger. Oh, he tries to make. Oh, fumble.
When a player loses a helmet, he must sit out a play.
Picks up. Oh, got to go to replay. Giants need to stop here. Here comes Crusher. Oh, they whiff. Touchdown, Crusher.
Giants need to stop.
Here comes. Oh! Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
How does it feel? Oh, listen. The pool feels amazing. Okay.
The pool feels a heck of a lot better than this bowl of water does. Yes, you did break it. Let's go see what we find. There's a case of cars. Think about what you do that for, Dave. What's up, Junior? How you doing, bud? Doing good. I love the stuff, but I'm going to take it out and race it.
I know that.
Behind the Hot Wheels Camaro. Matchbox? No, Maestro. Maestro, Mercedes-Benz. What is this? Mercedes C-Class. Looks like it's missing a wing, but still pretty cool. Corvette with the hot ones. Love that car. Convertible T-Bird. Uncle Bob's self-storage. Never made this car in real life. Not a fan. There's a Cadillac Escalade. Looks like it's been flattened a little bit. There's a nice one. Jeff Gordon. No words. Convertible Chevelle. I got this whole case for $10, so not too bad. Here we have an alligator car. What's that called? Tailgater. Look at this. The new Ultimate Garage. Got all these cars. This is all old stuff. Fast and Furious here. Oh, Ethan Banks too. Look what I did to myself. Or for myself, I should say. 94 smackaroonies. What's up, guys and gals? Chris here. We have Josh. And we have Manny. Something pretty cool set up today.
Ooh, nice shot. But he missed it. Oh, nice shot. Misses. And he's going for the small numbers, another 40.
Oh, he gets 100. Oh, he gets 100.
Ice Charger with 100. Bikinis up. Nice shot for 50.
What's up, guys? Chris here. Look what we got our hands on. T-Rex, never let anybody tell you your arms are useless. Go for it, Josh. Through the loop, through the turn. Wow.
And finished.
Look at that. Wow. Look at that. What's up, guys? Chris here. We have Josh.
Howdy.
And we have Manny. Josh's turn. Batmobile. Up. Batmobile. Up. Manny's turn. Manny in the hole. Oh no. Right where he belongs. What's up, guys? Chris here. It's that time. Time for another Hot Wheels King of the Hill. Here's the reigning king. Right down the middle. See who takes it. Go for it, Josh.
Marks, get set, go.
I gotta be fast. Look at that. F40.
Get set.
F40. Just
That
was close, right?
But no, he still had like.
Still had a
that
fender
much
on him.
Well, I gotta say that the Invader started looking like it was coming back. Like,
Well, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, doesn't matter. Still not enough to beat the F40 Ferrari. Still, the King of the Hill. Lights, camera, action. What's up, guys? Chris here. We're back. We have Josh.
Hello.
And look who joined us. The hard-working Manny. We have something pretty awesome set up, guys. A few more battles going on since the last time you saw this track. It's up. It's in. Yes. Perfect. Ready when you are. It's up.
Wow.
Oh, man, he nosedives. Ready when you are. Up. Oh, man. Face plants. Comes some Morris Mini. Almost made it. Go, go, go. Yeah. Comes some Morris Mini. Almost made it. Yeah. Ah! Josh, how'd you get in here? Ghosts might be dropping in from time to time.
This thing working?
Oh,
that was
cold blooded.
Yeah,
that was cold. How could you do that to him, Ghost? Oh! What a blade! Right in the hole, perfect. Right in the hole. What a blade! Right in the hole. What did you get? Whoa! Stop it out.
$3.
Speed box. Oh, in the drink. Something will fall. Good roll. Oh. No freebies here, Junior. Go for it. Double shot. Oh my god. Oh no, that's not double shot. That's Moto Blade. Right in the hole. Shot. Oh.
Turn on the lights.
Manny with another house.
We'll take the little one on the corner.
Wow. You guys still standing there?
Yeah.
Look. What's up, guys? Chris here. It's that time. Time for our big lane drag race. Scale quarter mile. Open big lane. Hey, it's Manny. Hey, it's Josh.
Howdy.
And he's getting his Rocket League 5-pack. Josh is only out a garbage truck. So he takes it. Film this one in super slow-mo. Go for it, Josh.
Marks, get set, go. Set, go.
So he takes it.
Marks, get set, go.
Ridge line. Ooh, 57 Chevy.
Ridge line. Ooh, 57.
Design.
7 Chevy cuts over for the win. Ring-a-ling, hear them sing. Hear them sing.
Are you serious?
When you are, Josh.
Bowl.
Wow!
Bowl.
Wow. Go for it, Josh.
Go!
Ho, ho!
No! No way!
Go for it, Josh.
Go!
Oh, he picks it up! Go for it, Josh. Oh, he picks it up! Oh, he picks it up! Great way to end the show. All right, guys. Be safe out there, everybody. Happy holidays. We'll see you next year. Take care.